Hello friends, welcome to Review Therapy. Today we are here with a new and fresh episode of Review Therapy, and today we are here to review the most upcoming smartphone, which is the Oppo F9 Pro. So you can see the official trailer of the phone in your screens. So let's see what it brings for us, and let's the review begins. So now let's talk about its general specifications. Oppo F9 Pro runs on Android V8.1 Oreo. It has the Octa core, 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A73 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A53 processor. It has the Lion non-removable 3500 mAh battery. Its main camera is dual 16 megapixel and front is 25 megapixel. It has the 4GB and 6GB of RAM. There are two variants, which one is of 4GB and the other is of 6GB. So and now come to its chipset. Its chipset is MediaTek Helio P60. So the general specifications are amazing. So as you know that we show the all detailed specification at the last of our video, so watch till the end. Now let's talk about Oppo F9 Pro. So the Oppo F9 Pro mobile features a 6.3-inch 16cm display with a screen resolution of 1080 x 2280 pixels and runs on Android V8.1 Oreo operating system. The device is powered by Octa core 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A73 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A53 processor paired with 4GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 3500 mAh over that. As far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 16 megapixel Exmor RS sensor supporting a resolution of 4616 x 3464 pixels, and the front snapper is powered by Exmor RS sensor, which looks that the camera will be just amazing. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope. So does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does. For graphical performance that can make games run smoothly, this phone has got a Mali-G72 MP3 GPU, which means that the graphics quality will be just amazing and the gaming performance will be also amazing. So onboard storage is at 64GB with the option to expand the memory by up to 256GB. So we can get a good volume of storage on this device, and the fingerprint sensor is mounted at the rear, not in the display. So now these are all the pictures of the smartphone. These are official pictures. Have a look on these pics. As we know that Oppo is known as the selfie expert, so in this phone we can get sensational selfie with 25 megapixel of front camera and with the HDR sensor, and the powerful performance of this phone will be because of 6GB of RAM or 4GB of RAM, which will be just amazing. So it has another great quality, which is known as flash charge, which means they say that 5-minute charge and 2-hour talk time will you get from this phone. So here we have the capture perfect photos, which means that the dual rear camera will be just amazing for capturing the perfect photos. Okay, now coming to its notch. It's the unique design, not copying from iPhone or Samsung or any other phone. It has launched a new design which is known as a water droplet notch. You can personalize your notch, but you can also remove it in the settings. Coming to the general setting, and the colors of this smartphone is color OS 5.2. Amazing. So these are some snaps taken from front camera. So guys, if you like our video, hit the like button and also press the bell icon so you never miss any update from Review Therapy. Now coming to the detailed specification of the smartphone, here are the detailed specifications of this phone, which is Oppo F9 Pro. Have a look on all these specifications, which are just superb, just amazing for me. And it's so the expected price of this smartphone is of 55,000 Pakistani rupees. It's not yet confirmed. We'll see it after its official launch. So guys, if you like our video, also hit the like button, must give your comments, must share the video, and must subscribe to our channel. So for now, that's all from my side. See you in the next video. Must like the video. Bye bye, take care.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.